To put this gear icon on top of this nature image, you need to open those images in Paint. Just right-click on each of them and open with Paint. In the gear image, go to Select and select this transparent selection. Now choose the rectangular selection and select the whole image. Right-click and copy, or use shortcut Ctrl+C on your keyboard. Now select the other image and also choose the transparent selection and hit Paste. Make sure that you use PNG images with transparency to have better quality. And this is how you put one image on top of another image in Microsoft Paint. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.